So let me tell you something absolutely ridiculous, but true. You know why cars and trains are as wide as they are today? Like, why do they all seem to have the same width? Well, it all goes back to, wait for it, horse butts. Yep, I'm not kidding. Way back in the day, when horses were the only way to get around, they used carriages. And guess what? The wheels on these carriages were set apart based on how wide the horses' butts were. They didn't have smooth roads back then, so the wheels had to follow the paths that the horses naturally made with their behinds. Think about it. You've got two horses pulling a carriage, and the most logical place to put the wheels was right where the ground was most worn down, right behind their butts. This became the standard width for all carriages. Fast forward a few centuries, we're building railroads. And what do the engineers do? They think, well, carriages have worked for years, let's just make the train tracks the same width. So boom, the width of two horses' backsides becomes the standard gauge for railroads. But it doesn't stop there. Cars come along, and yep, same thing. They're designed around this age-old measurement, all because of those two horses. So, next time you're sitting in traffic or riding a train, just remember, your modern transportation system is literally based on the width of two horses' butts. It's like the past just refuses to let go. And it's all thanks to those hard-working horses.